Welcome again students, and in this video we will discuss worksheet 14 for class 9 subject science, and this worksheet is scheduled for 5th August 2020, and again this worksheet is about chapter 3 atoms and molecules. Now let's start. Gyan, we know that every matter like element and compound are made from atoms, and every element has a name and unique symbol. So students, you already know that atoms they form a molecule, and molecule they form matter. Okay, and every element, if you take example like carbon, every element has a name. Like carbon, it has a name carbon and unique symbol, that is C. Okay, but how their names and symbol are decided? So you come to know about how the names and symbol of elements they come to decide it. Okay, Jigyasa Didi, in the beginning the name of elements were derived from the name of their place where they were found for the first time, like copper derived from Cyprus, name of a place. So जहाँ से भी कोई एलिमेंट मिलता था बच्चों, उसी के नाम पर उसका नाम जो है रख दिया जाता था. Now some name were derived from the color of the elements, like gold taken from English word yellow, that is the name of a color. Nowadays IUPAC, okay, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, it is a international scientific organization. सो ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो कि आजकल जो कंपाउंड्स हैं, जो एलिमेंट्स हैं, उनके नाम डिसाइड करती है, और जो ये नाम डिसाइड करती हैं ये पूरे वर्ल्ड में जो है मान्य होते हैं. विच अप्रूव नेम ऑफ एलिमेंट्स, सिम्बल्स एंड यूनिट्स. मैनी ऑफ द सिम्बल्स आर फॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट वन और 2 letters ऑफ द एलिमेंट्स नेम इन इंग्लिश. सो जो भी सिंबल्स होते हैं, लाइक कार्बन है तो कार्बन जो है कैपिटल लेटर से शो होगा, बट अगर लाइक सोडियम है तो सोडियम का फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल होगा एंड सेकंड लेटर जो है दैट विल बी द स्मॉल. और साथ साथ जो भी नाम होते हैं वो मोस्टली उनके जो फर्स्ट लेटर होते हैं नाम के, उन्हीं से ले लिए जाते हैं. लाइक एल्यूमिनियम, सो एल्यूमिनियम का सिंबल क्या होगा, AL. ओके, कॉपर, सो कॉपर का सिंबल क्या होता है, Cu. सो इस तरह से जो है उनके नाम लिए गए हैं, और ये जो नाम डिसाइड किए गए हैं दैट आर डिसाइडेड बाय IUPAC, दैट इज इंटरनेशनल यूनियन ऑफ प्योर एंड अप्लाइड केमिस्ट्री, इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ IUPAC. Now there are some information, some elements and their symbols. An atom of an element is known with the same symbol and name as of its element. Okay, first letter will be capital and second letter will be small. And for example sodium, in case of sodium, that is N will be capital, A will be small. But in case of hydrogen, like H single letter, so it will be a capital letter. So it will be the capital letter. Now from this we can easily identify the elements present in a compound. For example sodium chloride. So in case of sodium chloride students, Na is the sodium and Cl is the chlorine. Okay, now C here, C is not carbon, Cl, this is the element, that is chlorine. Now there are some symbols given for elements and you should know about all these symbols. Hydrogen H, nitrogen N, carbon C, zinc Zn, magnesium Mg, potassium K, silver Ag, boron B. Okay, chlorine Cl, iron Fe, oxygen O, iodine I, copper Cu, sulfur S, calcium Ca and aluminium Al. Now there are some questions and I hope you can easily solve all these questions. So answer following question, write full form and function of IUPAC. So यहाँ पर इसका आंसर गिवन है. What is the full form? Full form is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry and is an international scientific organization which approve names of elements, symbol and units. Okay, this is the answer for question first. Now next question, locate the below mentioned element in the above given puzzle grid. Also write symbols. So पहले हम symbols लिख लेते हैं, उसके बाद आप puzzle में easily इनको जो है आप फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. ये आपके लिए बहुत ही एक तरह का सिंपल गेम है. सो फर्स्ट इज सोडियम. सोडियम का सिंबल क्या होगा, Na. नेक्स्ट हाइड्रोजन H, नेक्स्ट पोटाशियम K. ओके, हीलियम He, नेक्स्ट ऑक्सीजन O, एल्यूमिनियम Al, Okay, gold AU, iron Fe, and lead Pb. Okay, next boron B, silver Si, copper Cu, zinc Zn, neon Ne. These are the symbols for all these elements. Now let's find out all these in this given grid. So first is sodium and hydrogen. So you can easily find out these sodium. So this is the sodium. Okay, and next is hydrogen. So hydrogen is Hydrogen. This is the hydrogen. Yes, this one is hydrogen. Okay, now next is potassium and helium. So this is the potassium. Okay, and where is helium? So you can easily find out helium. Yes, this one is helium. Okay, helium, Helium. Now next is given oxygen and aluminium. So student, this one is aluminium. Okay, and next is oxygen. So here is oxygen. Okay, next is gold, iron, and lead. So where is gold? This one is gold, and next is iron. So where is iron? This one is iron. Okay, now next is lead and boron. So where is lead? Lead. This one is lead, and next is boron. So this one is boron. Okay, Boron, boron. Now next element is silver, copper, zinc, neon. So next is silver. Here is silver, Silver. Okay, next is copper. So this one is copper, and next is silver, copper, zinc, and neon. So this one is neon, 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 and next and last is zinc, Zinc, zinc. Okay, so I hope you easily solve this puzzle grid, and if there is any problem you can comment. और अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो भी आप कमेंट करके बताइए, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी शेयर कीजिए ताकि उनको भी वीडियो जो वर्कशीट हैं उनका बेनिफिट मिल सके. सो सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन फॉर फर्दर नोटिफिकेशन, एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.